Okay, we are troubleshooting. Just got in from vacation and had a situation with my pressure line blew. Seems like something always goes down every time I go out of town. So I gotta tighten this right here a little tighter. So basically, I'm trying to troubleshoot and see what's going on with the surface spinner. So right now, I'm just going from water source. So I started over there with my water line. Water's going into the pump. I see I got a leak right here, so I'm gonna tighten that to fix that leak. And then also, I have another leak right here, very heavy. So I'm assuming the gasket inside here is ruptured, which happens all the time. If you look inside of the van or the truck, always have these O-rings. I say gasket. It's an O-ring. So different sizes of O-rings. Either they fit inside of here or they fit on the tip of the gun. The smaller ones fit on the tip of the gun inside there. You can kind of see it. See a little black, ring inside there. Yeah. So yeah. So let me go ahead and replace that O-ring. That'll be the first step, and also tighten that connection to. So I'm pulling this O-ring out. I'm using this little mini screwdriver. I had to use some force with it, but yeah, let me go ahead and take that out. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but one of these O-rings are not like the other. Okay, so I'm going to replace it with the new O-ring, and that should seal it up. Connected as far as the O-ring, so go right back to troubleshooting. Let's see, like I say, always follow the water from the source. Activate water source. It's going to go that way. I've tightened my hose connection right here. As you see, it's not dripping all crazy and everything like that. You don't want it dripping, because any kind of water leak, or say if it was leaking from here, from the water source, it's leaking from here, any kind of water leak is going to negate any kind of pressure. And as you see, what's going on right here, it's not leaking, it's dripping a little bit, but that's normal. Have a little bit of drip at your connection. Okay, and then I'm looking right here and seeing that the water is flowing, and that's what I want. So that means there's no resistance, no kind of break in water source. So what I'm going to do next is get my surface spinner and flush it out, because I believe some dirt got inside of it somehow, and it's clogged up. So let's go ahead and get that part. I have the pressure line connected to my tool. Let's go ahead and restart the troubleshooting process by, of course, starting with the water source. Let's come over here and hold the trigger. And I don't believe any water is going to come out, because my technician said no water's coming out the first time. Oh, hold up. We got water coming out, but one of the sprayers is not spraying properly. Okay? So it's probably a clog in that sprayer. Okay? So I'm going to take, not the sprayer on the left, but that sprayer on the right. I'm going to take that one apart. Yeah, see how it's like, that's coming out in the spray pattern, and it's coming out like something's inside of it. So, all right, I'm back. About to flush this line. Hey, buddy. So, water's definitely coming through. Connect this back. And then I noticed something else. How bent this thing is. Like, why is it this bent? Like, see, look, it's circle, and then it's bent right here. Not sure how. Like someone probably either stepped on it or but that is just extremely bent. Look how close the bar, is coming to right here. It's not supposed to be that close. It's supposed to be like right there. It's like really close to hitting, but it's bent. Let's see if you can see that. Circle, flat, circle. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens. Buddy, give me a moment. Alright, there you have it. Just like I said. Well, I feel like the culprit was the handling of these tools and connections. Oh, excuse me, man.
No, that's okay. I'm good.
Alright. Here's the dirt most likely got into the line. And when that happens, it's going to clog up these sprayers, and it's not going to allow for water flow. So you got to flush out the line. Luckily, it's a quick connect right here. You saw it just disconnect right here. Pull the trigger, flush out that line, and then there you go. But always start troubleshooting from the water source to the pump to the hose to the tool that you're using, and that's how you do it. All right.